How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. If you can see in the background, the box is right there. But before I get into that, I just want to say thank you to all the customers that have been ordering parts from M2 Motoring. Definitely do appreciate it. We definitely value your business and appreciate you choosing us to order your parts. And if anybody wants to order parts or get quotes, just definitely hit us up. All our contact information is in the description below. But yeah, let's get started. So I have an unboxing video of the Garage Unique stuff to show you what I got in, and I also have this huge pile of random parts. Now you might be wondering what this is. It's a big mix of random stuff, ranging from lip kits to carbon parts. As you can see, there's a big carbon panel there, and some OEM parts that I'll go over in just a second. But let me go ahead and open this up. This is more important to me right now. So this is what came in. Decent amount of stuff in this box. Freight nowadays has been insanely expensive, so they packed what they could in here. So right here, I have a stack of the 2016-2017 Honda Accord sedan front center lip. So this is designed to go in addition to the OEM Honda optional lip kit that goes on each end of the bumper. I know this isn't an Accord, but just to show you, so the optional factory piece from Honda goes in this corner here and on the opposite corner. This lip is designed by Garage Unique to go in the middle to kind of help fill out and clean up the look a bit. So a really nice piece. It's a really moves really well. A lot of people like it, so thank you to everybody that's been ordering. And the rest of the stuff in this box is actually for the new 10th gen Accord, which is the 2018 and up Honda Accord. This is the front lip. It's a 3-piece carbon fiber front lip. One center section and 2 side pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and put it on, I guess, the ground to show you what it looks like. Or let me see if I can put something together to kind of present it a little nicer. Be right back. If you can see the sweat on my forehead, it's getting pretty warm here in Las Vegas. It's supposed to be over 100 every day, and my body's still slowly adjusting to all this, but it's all good. Like being in the garage. And here is the 10th generation Accord front lip. I was gonna put it on the table, but it's a little too long, and it's a 3-piece lip, so it would sit on there correctly. So I just put it on the ground to show you. It's a very nice, clean design from Garage Unique. The weave, everything between the sections match up and line up, so no, you don't have to worry about that. Everything's done with thought in mind when they manufacture these. Again, they were originally making this in a 1-piece lip, but due to how much shipping is for a box of this size around the US, having a 3-piece front lip makes it way more cost effective on freight and shipping for everybody. So this makes more sense, makes it more price friendly for everybody out there. I only had a couple of these come in, and a few of them are already actually spoken for. So contact me via email or through the website if you'd like to order. Also, this is the 16-17 Accord, 9th gen Accord front lip. Again, you have to have the OEM option lip kit to use this, but I want to show you the quality of the carbon weave. Done very nice. This is our biggest mover out of all the Garage Unique parts we bring in. And also with this, I had about a 8-unit order come in, and a lot of them are already spoken for. So thank you again to everybody that's been ordering. Really do appreciate the business, and I do plan on ordering more, but the production lead time takes a while, and so does freight. So yeah, if you're looking for any of these Garage Unique parts, definitely contact me. I'll definitely be happy to help you out. So I'm gonna take a few moments to go ahead and put all this stuff away, and then go through that and kind of show you what I have here and clean it up and figure out what's what and go from there. As you can see in the time lapse, I spent a little bit of time rinsing everything off. They were covered in dust. A lot of these parts were stored in the back of a warehouse, unboxed or anything, for years. So it had a nasty layer of dust that I tried using quick detailer real quick and it wasn't doing anything. It was just kind of just spreading the dust and dirt around. So a quick rinse did wonders. This right here, these three pieces right here are the OEM RCF front bumper and side skirts. I know nothing aftermarket exciting, but if you're local in Vegas and you know, wrecked your car or whatever, this right here, all OE parts. But moving on to the aftermarket stuff. Here's a brand new Japan rear spoiler. I don't know for what vehicle, or the other gunmetal side skirts. I don't know what vehicle this is for, but for the silver set, I know it is for the Lexus HS250. Have the front lip right there, the rear lip, and the side skirts. If you know how much parts are from Japan, this body kit I would estimate in the range of about $2,000 or more dollars. So this is used, no cracks, just some scratches from storage. On the bottom, maybe a couple scrapes from transport or from driveways or whatever, but no actual damage that a body shop couldn't take care of. Sorry, there isn't any damage a body shop couldn't take care of easily. So this will be up for sale. These three pieces, I have no idea what they're for. I have to figure this out. And finally, these two big carbon pieces is what I actually figured out what I believe I figured out what it is. So when I picked it up, I thought it was some kind of rear diffuser, rear under tray. I didn't really look at it, but when I got home and unloaded and started stacking everything, I looked at it closely and I said, this has got to be a rear seat delete, and I believe I am right. Now, what vehicle is it for? From what I can tell, this is more than likely for a first gen Scion FRS, Toyota 86, Subaru BRZ, whatever you want to call it. So the first generation car, this is the rear seat delete, and I believe this is a Sabon one. What gave it away for me for seat delete is this rear V, or upside down V with the notch right there. I've taken apart a few Subarus in my life and this shape looks really familiar. So I believe this would be the back seat and this would be the floorboard piece. Yeah, that's all here. It doesn't appear to be heavily used. There are scratches on it from storage and movement, but there's no actual damage. A body shop can actually re-clear this and clean it up and it'll be just like brand new. So if you're looking for any of these parts, definitely hit me up, or looking for any new parts, hit me up, or any garage unique parts, hit me up. Thanks again for watching the video. Definitely do appreciate everybody's likes, comments, and new subscribers. Thank you. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're still doing the 1,000 subscriber merch giveaway. And all you gotta do is subscribe to this channel, follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away some merch. But yeah, thanks again for watching the video. Appreciate all the love and support you guys are giving myself and Steve. Until next time, you guys take care.